Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna make a quick one for you guys, just answering something I've been getting in the past couple videos with KB's 22 Ryker Rally. And what is that windshield? How much is it? Where can I get it from? Let's find out. Through Moto. Yeah, let's get you guys a quick video on this windshield. It's something that I've been getting a lot on the past few videos of KB's 2022 Ryker Rally. If you haven't seen those videos, you should check them out. I don't know if I've compiled them on a playlist yet, but I definitely will after this one, because I believe this one is the fourth. And the question I've been getting on the comments, and KB's been really good with answering them, but there's just going to be another one that pops up the next day asking about that windshield. What is it? How much does it cost? Where can I get it? Give me the link, all that stuff. Well, the link is going to be in this video description. I might even pin it on a comment just so we don't get that question again. And I am trying to help you guys out, so I figured why not make a quick video on it. It is the PUIG 5022F windshield, and I'm sure you can pronounce that, but I'm just gonna spell it out. This one in particular is the dark smoke model that KB has on his rally. But they also have and that's the link that I'll have at the bottom, but you can search there and also notice that there's a black one, and I guess that's like just straight opaque because that's pretty dark, but you can still see through it when we're looking at it through the front. And there's a light smoke option, so I guess it's not completely clear, but it does have some type of tint, so if that's what you're into. This one in particular, if you want to see what I've been showing you in the past few videos, is the dark smoke model. Weighs about a pound, comes in 3 pieces. The way it mounts, they're calling this a universal mount, and I don't know who discovered it first, but I know I've seen it on Rykers before. I thought it was more common knowledge to know about it, but apparently not because I'm getting so many questions. So let's get you guys an answer for it. And the main one is how much this thing costs. It's going to be in the link also, but it's about 145 bucks. This is all through Amazon. And since we're talking about it, you know, my opinion on it, I think it's cool. I think it has a cool low profile, and maybe called aggressive. There's a guy who left someone who left a review on the Amazon that sounded real cool, and they were saying it does a really great job with breaking the wind, and at the same time it doesn't take away from the sporty aesthetic of the motorcycle, whether it's a 2-wheel. I think his review particular was based off of a 2-wheel motorcycle he has, but I feel that same way, and I want to steal that from him as far as the Ryker goes, because you're checking it out now and look at it right there with that profile, kind of fits with it. And I know with having those poles, it's way adjustable, so you may be able to style it a little bit more based off the way you like the shape, or the type of work and wind you want away from you on your Ryker. You're going to change it up differently than the way Kevin has. So that's what's cool about universal stuff and being able to play with a little bit. I think I even heard a review where somebody cut the poles down to give it a different style. So pretty cool. I know 145 bucks, that is something, but you know, with these things, most stuff costs 300. The Ryker 300, right? So anything less than 300 almost sounds like a deal with these guys, with Can-Am Rykers. So hopefully this answers your question, because the main one was, you know, give me the link. So wanted to talk a little bit about it and show it through some more angles, just nonstop, because it is a hot topic I'm finding out. So check out the link at the bottom, and thanks for watching. More actual videos coming soon. A big shout out to all the subscribers, and double big shout out for all the Patreon members. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Thrill Mouse Moto. I was paid to say this since Barry said he felt kind of weird asking. He also wanted me to say Baja Blast slams and yeah dog, Thrill Mouse Moto.